hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, excellent. So now we're going to do the East meets West version of Handshake Laughter, which is we start with Namaste and then we shake hands. So and shake and Namaste, shake. Very good, very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! And the reason we do this is that it connects us in with our childlike sense of fun and playfulness and joy. And that's something we tend to lose as we get older, sadly. Now we're going to make a milkshake. So here we go. So in India, they make milkshakes by, in the old days, they used to tip it by hand to make it froth up, and then they drink it, right? So then we're going to do it now. So we go E, E, E. So E, E. Very good, very good. Yay! Then when we put our hands up like this, and even if we make a symbol like this, or victory, do you know, it automatically wires the brain to be happy and elated and joyful. So that's why we do it. It's absolutely brilliant. So we're going to do some high five laughter now, like if we were at a football match. Okay, so we go, yay! Let's do it with each other. Scored a goal, yay! Excellent. Okay, so let's breathe in. Breathe out. Make it a special milkshake, and it's a laughter milkshake. So we're going to so a bit of ha ha ha, a bit of ho ho ho, a bit of he, and then we drink. A bit of ha 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 and ho ho ho. Then we mix it together and drink.